southeastern Ohio, northern Wood County in northwestern Ohio, southern Lucas County in northwestern Ohio, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from New Holland to New Alsia, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Toledo, Bowling Green, Swanton, Perrysburg, Oregon, Rossford, Waterville, Northwood, White House, Genoa, Holland, Maumee, Aldridge, Pemberville, Millbury, Haskins, Lucky, Grand Rapids, Tontogany, and Clay Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Lucas, Ottawa, and Wood. An urgent weather message. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Port Clinton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Port Clinton, Kelly's Island, Put-in Bay, Catawba Island, and Marblehead. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Ottawa, Ohio. Urgent